Hello kids, today I am going to discuss with you 14.4 exercise of geometry. First number question is write yes or no. Questions has been asked and you have to answer in only yes or no. Okay? Question number A. Does a circle have a curved surface? Yes, a circle have a curved surface. So in front of it you will write yes. Question B. Is the meeting point of two adjacent sides of a plane figure called vertex? Yes, it is true. The point where two adjacent sides of a plane figure meet, it is called vertex. So in front of it we will write yes again. Question C. Does a triangle have four sides? No, it has three sides. So in front of it you will write NO, no. Question D. Is the name of the vertex usually represented by a small letter? No. The name of the vertex we are usually representing by a capital letter. So in front of it again you will write NO, no. E number question. Is the number of sides of a plane figure with a plane surface equal to the number of vertices of the figure? Its answer is yes. Again, in front of it, you will write yes. Question number 2. Identify the shapes of the following object. First object is a postcard. Here you can see the picture of a postcard. Yes, it is of a rectangular shape. So we will write here rectangle. Second object is a top surface of a pencil box. Here in the picture you can see the surface of the pencil box. It is again rectangular in shape. So we will write here rectangle. The next object is the face of the full moon. Here in the picture we can see the face of the full moon is circular in shape. So we will write here circle. Number a page of your book. If we can see our book, the page of our book is rectangular in shape. So we will write here again rectangle. E number a set square in a geometry box. We have all seen set square. Yes, it is triangular in shape. So we will write here triangle. Next is F number a stamp. We have all seen a stamp. It is rectangular in shape. So we will write here rectangle. G number the wheel of a bullock cart. A bullock cart wheel is circular in shape. So we will write here circle. Next is the face of a die. We have seen dice when we play Ludo. Okay, its face is square in shape. So we will write here square. Next object I. A coin of 5 rupees. We have all seen 5 rupees coin. It is circular in shape. So we will write here circle. Now the next object is the surface of a burger. It is circular in shape. So we will write here again circle. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A number, all the sides of a square are, yes, dash. So in blank space we will write equal. B number, a triangle has dash sides and dash vertices. Yes, it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So in both the blanks in B number we will write 3. Number C, the dash sides of a rectangle are equal. Yes, you will write here in the blank space opposite. D. A circle has dash side and dash vertex. It has no side and no vertex. So in both the blank space in D number we will write no. Now E number, the meeting point of two adjacent sides is called dash. In blank space you will write it is called vertex. Now this exercise is over. Thank you so much.